Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. Welcome to week 4. This is our final week of writing short stories. Today we'll have fun writing about a rainy day and a special gift. Let's get started. What are we learning today? Today we will practice connecting ideas, write with a clear beginning, middle, and end, and share your thoughts in 2 to 5 sentences. Let's think about a rainy day. What did you do on a rainy day? What did you do to stay busy or have fun? Where were you? Were you inside or outside? How did the day end? Think of a memory you can share. Here's an example story about a rainy day. Let's read the story together. Ready? Let us begin. It rained all day, so I stayed inside. First, I played a game with my sister. Next, we watched a movie. Last, we made cookies with mom. This story tells what happened first, next, and last. It's short and clear. You can do this too. Now it's your turn. Use the words first, next, and last to help you. Write 2 to 5 sentences about your rainy day. Think about a gift you received. It could be a birthday gift, a surprise, or even something small that made you happy. Think about what was the best gift you got, when did you get it, and why it was special. Here's an example story about the best gift story. Let's read the story together. Ready? Let us begin. I got a bike for my birthday. First, I saw it in the living room. Next, I rode it outside with my friends. Last, I took a picture with my new bike. Think about how it felt and what you did when you got a special gift. Now it's your turn. Write your story about the best gift. Remember to tell your story in order. Use words like first, next, and last, and write 2 to 5 sentences to write your story. You did it! You made it to the end of our short story unit. You wrote 2 short stories, connected ideas, and used first, next, and last to share your ideas. Great job. Keep writing and keep believing in yourself. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 31. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to review the lesson that you've practiced. If you find it difficult to do any part of the lesson, remember you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on until you can do this lesson with ease. When you can do this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've enjoyed this interactive lesson, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye bye.